That scared me. What is that noise? What is that noise?
We're in a car wash. We're in a car wash. Right, Alyssa?
What are these things?
Remember when you were a child and going to a car wash was like the funnest thing ever? Look at her. And she freaks out all the time. Is that fun?
How did you get installed?
What's that?
How did you get installed?
I don't know. Don't judge us. We're having a Sonic cream slush. Don't judge us. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you're not freaking out. Whoa! Look what's coming, Alyssa.
A monster.
The monster. What should I do with this hair? What should I do with this pimple? It's a blemish now. But this hair of mine, should I grow out the bangs? What should I do? Should I? It's like in a weird, awkward length. Grow it out? How do you get rid of freaking dry scalp and dandruff? I'm having an ugly moment in life. Like, you know, I care. I feel ugly right now. Probably because I've been eating a lot of crap.
Oh no, don't go there.
Yeah, so I'm trying really hard to get back on track. I'm only human, but here we go. Say bye.
Bye.
Having a good time with my daughter. Have a great one, everyone.